I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Happyform. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select Webhooks. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload. Application/JSON. Give here a webhook link, so go to the Connects It dashboard. Create Connects It. Search and drop webhook. Copy the webhook URL and capture the webhook responses, then paste it on the integration site. Go to your form and fill up with data to capture the webhook. Now go to your integration site and test the webhook. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your Connects It site. Search and drop MailerLite. Choose an action. Choose an account. Choose a group. Choose status. Connect the both fields. Test and review. Publish the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the subscribers. Here you can see that the subscriber added successfully in the MailerLite. Thanks for watching.